This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 8T versus the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now the OnePlus 8T has the Snapdragon 865, a massive 12 gigs of RAM on Android 10 and its latest version of Oxygen OS. iPhone 11 Pro Max has the A13 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM, and its latest version of iOS 14. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time here, see which one will have the faster boot up, and let's go! OnePlus 8T versus iPhone 11 Pro speed test. What will happen right now? Heard a vibration from the OnePlus. Will it boot up faster? Or will the iPhone boot up faster? Oh! A little bit faster on the iPhone. And we are in! Alright man, let's get right into it. I'm gonna swipe over here and do the same thing on the iPhone. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna go like this on the iPhone, and there's nothing in the background. And do the same thing here on the 8T. No recent items, all apps, caches, browsers have been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. iPhone, messages. Ooh, very close, but I think that was the 8T. The camera. Pick up both phones so you can see the viewfinder a little bit better. Faster on the iPhone. Let's fire up the clock on both phones. Ooh, very close, couldn't tell which one. I'm gonna go ahead and start the stopwatch. Let this run. Leave that in the background. Calculator. Very close. You guys are the judges. Play Store, App Store. Ooh, so close. Maybe the iPhone. Now the pages are slightly different. So you guys are the judges. Let's go ahead and just click on a random app on both, and we'll leave it on that page, Amazon. Ooh, faster on the 8T. We'll click on this deal right here. We'll click on this one. Very close. Maybe the 8T by a little bit on that one. eBay. And what is this? A little bit of a pop-up. There we go. I think it was faster on the left. Click on this one. Ooh, faster on the iPhone. Click on this one. About the same, maybe iPhone by a tiny bit on that one. Super Mario Run. Loading on the 8T. Will the iPhone catch up? Nope. And we'll give the win to the 8T. Tap to begin. A little bit faster on the iPhone on the second step. Temple Run 2. Spooky Summit, loading on both. Ooh, 8T's out in front, and we'll give the win to the 8T on this one. Tap play. Subway Surfers. Loading on both. Ooh, iPhone with the comeback. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Love how this is black on the iPhone. Logging in on both. Ooh, 8T's out in front. Will the iPhone catch up? Nope. And we'll give the win to the OnePlus 8T on this one. CSR Racing 2. I think the iPhone's ahead. We're hearing noise on the 8T first though. Oh! I will give the win to the OnePlus 8T! With a comeback. I thought the iPhone was going to take that one, but nope. And of course, we do have the PUBG. Tencent Games. Oh, iPhone's ahead. Now lately, I gotta say, Android's been catching up on iOS on the PUBG. So will it win on this one? Nope. Give it to the iPhone. iPhone was super fast. Get rid of this, and we're in. We are in. There you go. Twitter. Ooh, very close. I think that was the iPhone. Instagram. iPhone by a little bit. Straighten the phones out. Snapchat. Give that to the 8T. And we do have the browsers on both, Chrome and Safari. We'll do a search for my go-to, GSM Arena. GSM Arena. Here we go. Which one's faster? Ooh, a little bit faster on the 8T, I think. We'll click on this one. A little bit faster on the iPhone this time around. Pinch to zoom. Nice and smooth. And you can't on the 8T. We'll go ahead and scroll to the bottom. We'll go to the desktop version. Go. Which one's faster here? Oh, gonna give it to the 8T. These ads came up first. And is this even gonna load on the iPhone? I don't know. We'll do the pinch to zoom again. Nice and smooth. We'll do the same thing here on the 8T with its fast display. I forget if it's 90 or 120, but nice and buttery smooth on this one. Love the fast displays. All right, enough of all that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the RAM management on both phones. Everything in the background, as you can see. Yeah, the side-to-side scrolling here on the OnePlus. Super nice, super smooth. And I love how in Oxygen OS, you get a row of icons here on the bottom. So you can swipe or choose your app that way here on the bottom. Love that added touch. Anyway, let's go ahead and run through these apps again. We'll have a look, see what happens. Any stutters, any reloads, we'll take a note of. Gotta straighten this phone out, man. There you go. Twitter, no reloads yet. The PUBG, of course. Ready to play on both. Very nice. And then the CSR Racing. Good to go on both. Angry Birds 2. No reloads yet. And then we do have this one. Ready to resume, as you can say. And you can continue playing. Very nice. Get rid of that, and then Temple Run 2, of course. Same thing, ready to resume. We'll go ahead and resume right now. 3, 2, and 1. And then you can continue playing. Nice. Mario Run. Oh! We have a reload on the 11 Pro Max? What? Was not expecting that. All right, so we'll take a note of that. Reload on the 11 Pro. eBay, same place. Amazon, and another reload on the 11 Pro Max. Wow, was not expecting this. What is this? Not now. And then the AT kept it right there. Play Store, App Store, and I think the 11 Pro Max is starting to struggle a little bit. Calculator is good to go. The clock still running in the background. The camera, you guys are the judges. Messages, there you have it. And of course, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you on Team OnePlus, rocking your OnePlus 8T? If you have a OnePlus 8 Pro, are you gonna switch to this phone or just stick with your 8 Pro? Do you have a OnePlus 7 or a OnePlus 7T or a OnePlus Nord? Or are you an Apple iSheet, rocking your iPhone 11 Pro Max? Are you excited for the iPhone 12? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.